Corporate Jamaica has an important role to play in addressing Jamaica's crime problem. That's the view of Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he encourages more investments. Details in this report.
As Jamaicans continue to plan and hope for the new year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has outlined a New Year theme for his administration.
For 2024 will be peace, productivity, prosperity.
Jamaica recorded 1,393 murders in 2023. That's 7.8% fewer homicides compared to 2022, but still troubling for a small country. According to the Prime Minister, the crime-fighting measures being implemented must be supported by other efforts, including from corporate Jamaica.
Our industrialists, our businessmen, our small business people have an important role to play in getting us to peace.
Mr. Holness was speaking at the announcement ceremony for the National Baking Company's new factory in Catherine Hall, St. James. He believes major investments, like National's $6.7 billion investment in Western Jamaica, will help.
So, how do we get to peace? A big part of it is what we're doing right here. A big part of it is making the investments that will pull the people in, who we will train to higher order skills so that they can get income, so that they don't have to be drawn into crime.
National Bakery's chairman and CEO Gary Hendrickson says while the company will continue to invest, smaller entities must get more assistance to grow before they can be expected to invest.
We think it's the only way to grow the SMEs. We're going to have to get up and big brother them a little bit. I can't run the places for them. What we can do is help them with things like marketing and promotion. National will continue to support early childhood and continue to support STEM and the growth of STEM and the paths to STEM wherever possible.
Herman Green, TVJ News.